Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your Canva presentation into a video in just a few minutes. It's quick, it's simple, and by the end, you'll have a video file ready to share anywhere. So let's get started. I already have my Canva presentation open here. Now normally, when you're ready to save a project, you might go straight to download and choose PDF. But the thing is, a PDF won't keep any audio, video, or animations you've added to your slides. That's why, if you want your presentation to play like a real video, you need to export it as an MP4. Here's how to do it. From your Canva project, go up to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From there, select Download. By default, you might see PDF as the suggested option, but we're going to change that. Click on the File Type drop-down, and from the list, choose MP4 Video. Once you've selected that, you can also decide whether you want to download all the slides or just a specific range. Now, if you've added background music, video clips, or slide transitions, Canva will automatically keep those in the final video. That means when you play the exported file, everything will flow smoothly, just like a real presentation video. After that, all you need to do is hit the Download button. Canva will take a moment to process your file depending on how long your presentation is. Once it's ready, the video will be saved to your computer and you can find it in your Downloads folder. From there, you can upload it to YouTube, share it on social media, or even send it in emails for a more professional look. And that's it. In just a few clicks, your Canva presentation is now a video. Super easy, right? So next time you create a presentation in Canva, instead of sending static slides, you can make it much more engaging by exporting it as a video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful.